Did you know the Pythagorean Theorem isn't just about triangles on paper? This ancient formula reveals hidden relationships in the real world, from architecture to navigation, and you encounter its effects every single day. This famous formula, A2 up, B2, C2, helps us find the length of any side in a right triangle by measuring the other two. It's a shortcut that makes complex problems surprisingly simple, no matter the triangle's size. Ancient builders used this theorem over 2,000 years ago to lay perfectly square corners for massive monuments and temples. Even in nature, animal trails and rivers form right triangles, relying on this same geometric principle. Astronauts use the Pythagorean theorem to calculate distances in space, like the shortest route between 2 points on the moon's surface. Even GPS satellites rely on it to map locations with pinpoint accuracy across our planet. Stay curious and explore more math wonders. Hit subscribe for amazing facts every week. What should we explain next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below.